I don't think the film really said anything bad about the MEA. There was a scene where Delhi was not too worried. That's natural. We had a very sitting on the fence attitude, which is what continued at that time. Then when the efforts made by the committee, my dad, Mr. Vedi, other people, to try and convince them that this is not a small thing, that it had actually had to be done. So they had to, gear up, and which they did. The government of India, which did do that, because without the government of India, this would not have been possible. But any claim that they did the evacuation from Kuwait to Jordan, Amman, that is not right, because that was done by the locals, by the Indians here. We have very many relatives, many people that he's obliged to, not obliged, and responsible for, back in Kuwait. So he said there's no question of him, taking a flight out or getting across the border. I was happy that actually somebody was taking on to make a movie, because this was a story which was forgotten. Kudos to the director. I think it was an emphatic movie in the sense it showed kind of what was happening at that time over here.